Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Creative Pathshala. If you have yet not subscribed my channel, do consider doing so and also try to follow us on Instagram. So today's video is going to be all about Brilliant Brain Activity book for age group 4 and above. So let us begin. But before that, from where have I got this activity book? How much is it priced for? Let me tell you all about it. This is named as Brilliant Brain Activity book age 4 plus and it's from Dreamland publication. So as you can see it over here, Dreamland publication, and you can see the logo over here. So this is the logo for Dreamland publication. So I'll just bring it more close so that you can have a view of the same, and it is priced at 220 rupees. Obviously I had got this from Amazon, and so you can check out for the current offers and check out for the current prices as well. So let us begin. Now as you can see that the activities have been numbered on the very first sheet. This is a really interesting book, brain activity boosting book, and you must have this book for your kiddo. Let us begin. Now the very first page looks like this, whereby the name of the book is there. The next is the preface, and next is that they have numbered the activities right from 1 till I'll show you until how much. That is, in one single book you have got 367 activities, and that too all the activities have been answered. All the activities which have been numbered previously have also been answered. That means that you will find an answer for each and every activity which has been discussed earlier. So you can see that all the answers have also been discussed until 367. So let me quickly show you some of the activities which have been done. Now see, generally a child confuses between Q and P. So the very first activity is which of these is lowercase of Q. Cross it. So lowercase of Q has to be crossed. So obviously this is Q. So generally a child confuses between Q and P. So the very first question had been asked about it. Second activity is cross the right number of open fingers. So the child has to think. He has or she has to see the picture whereby he or she can count 1, 2, and again the right number of the open picture has to be crossed. Next is which of these lives in water. So the picture of a cat has been given and the picture of a fish has been given. So obviously the child has to think that which one would be living in water. So obviously it is the fish. Next is cross the circle that is colored. So the colored circle, which is the yellow circle, it has to be crossed. So you can see the quality of activities whereby the child would be forced to think, would be forced to apply his or her brain and then answer the questions. Draw a line from the horse to the carriage. So the horse has to be connected to the carriage. Next is write the missing letter. So obviously this is the dog. And since the child is taught about phonics, sight words until grade 4, until the age of 4, so definitely that is also to be done. Next is color the squares that have 1 written inside them in black. So they have to color those squares that have 1 written inside them in black. So you can see that obviously there's nothing written in black. That is nothing in the sense 1 is not written in black anywhere. It's written in brown. 2's are written in black. So the child has to think about it. Next is circle the flower. So which one is a flower? So the flower has to be circled. Fruit, leaves and tree has also been drawn. So accordingly the child will have to think about it. Next is, will you take a candy from a stranger? Tick your answer. Yes, no. So obviously the answer is going to be a no because strangers are a big no. Trace the letters, complete the picture, join the dots. Then over here the numbering has been done, and according to the numbers the respective colors have to be filled in into the butterfly. So color the butterfly by number. So wheresoever 1 is marked, the child is supposed to color that 1 in green. Wheresoever 2nd is written, the child is supposed to color that in orange. color the animal that has 4 legs. So which animal has got 4 legs? So out of all of these, it's the dog. So obviously the child would not only count the number of legs but also would be aware of that certain animals have more than 4 legs, certain animals have less than 4 legs too. And which animal has how many legs also would be known by the child. Next is, circle the picture of the sun. Color the circles on the ladybug in red and black. Tick the animal that rhymes with socks. Trace the circle. Next is, circle the animals that live in the jungle. So again the child would have to think about that. Color only the tail of the dog. So only the tail of the dog has to be colored. Circle the thing you wear to go out in the sun. You have to wear it. So obviously you are wearing your sunglasses. Cross the letters that come before and after I. So before and after I. So the child will have to think about the letters which are given over here. First and foremost thing is that all the activities, they are really superb, and 367 activities, I mean it's like mind blowing. At a price point of 220 bucks, if you are getting so many activities, I would say that do not even give it a blink. Go ahead and purchase the same. Next is that you can see the quality of sheets. The quality of sheets is, I mean, excellent. You can say that the pictures, the color scheme, the numbers, there's so much of clarity, there's so much of colorful aspects and very simple pictures, but so nicely put up and so nicely brought up. So I guess that this could be one of the best books for the age group of 4 and above. And if your child is well versed for certain topics, then definitely why to wait even for the child to get 4 years old. So you can definitely go ahead and purchase the same. So you can see all these activities. I would have told everything, but 367 activities, I mean, you can imagine the video would be pretty long if I do the same. So just see to it. I would just show you the pages and see the activities, types of activities. The child would be really, the cognitive aspect of the child, that is the thinking, brain activity of the child would be boosted up like anything. And just imagine if the entire book is finished, then in that case you have not just finished the entire book, you have also finished 367 activities for your child. The child has completed all of it. So this is it, what I wanted to show and share it with you people. So you can see the pages. I would be sharing the same. I would give you a glimpse of the same. So you can see how colorful it is, and the paper quality is also excellent. So you really need to check out this particular book and go through it, and that's the reason of giving a review of the same, whereby I really liked it. And during this pandemic time, you can really go ahead and have it for your child. So if the child is quite well versed, do not even wait for attaining 4 years of age. Go ahead and grab it and let your child practice the same. So once again, the solutions are given at the back of the book. Just in case if you do not know, or if there's any confusion related to the answer, you can definitely get back to the solutions which are given at the back of the book. So it's really interesting. It's a combination of several different brain boosting activities for a child, which are really helpful, and it's excellent. Paper quality is excellent. The colors which are used are very vibrant, and it is just superb. So just go ahead. At this price point, I think that there could be nothing best other than this particular brilliant brain activity book, as the name suggests. Thank you so much for watching, and I would quickly like to request one more thing, and that is, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you really wish to see certain videos in the upcoming days. And obviously do try to follow us in the Instagram site as well, whereby you can also connect with me on my personal level, whereby you can see what goes on in my life and how do I train my child, what do we do, what do we eat, etc, etc, etc. So at the personal level, if you are interested to engage, definitely try joining in the Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care. And so this is the book. And if at all you are interested, you can definitely go ahead with the other series, which are for 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, 6 plus and 7 plus as well. So I'm really fond of this particular book. So definitely I guess that I'm going to get almost all of them to give my child a practice of the same. So this is all about Brilliant Brain Activity book for age 4 plus and above from Dreamland Publications. Thank you so much. Bye bye.